Nice and flat. Squirt oil. Leave the foil on one side of the sausage, but take all that extra stuff from around the edges there, rip it off and throw it to the side. But don't take it off of both sides. It's not necessary. Get that stuff right there. Your pan's hot enough, and put it right here. Like that. Just put it there like that. My recommendation, put the lid on, cover it up, and let it sit for a minute. The grease will make it easy to pull off so it doesn't get stuck to the foil. Make sure you're not running your fire too hot. The good thing about greasy pork is it provides its own oil. Now after about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes of cooking on one side, the sausage should pretty easily do this. See that? How easily that's coming off. Takes a little work, you might have to shake it a little bit. Ta-da! Now I have flipped the sausage, and as you can see, it's one very nice, very flat, very evenly cooked piece with a nice little bit of char on that side. Now I'm going to turn down the heat on this, and I'm going to go get the eggs ready. And I got to get the toaster out from up there and make some toast. I'll let you know how it goes in a second. I'll start recording again or whatever. Okay, I let the other side go for about 1.5 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it again. Starting to look right. Now off to those eggs I was talking about. And for my next trick, something I learned on YouTube. If you don't want to crack the yolk, just drop the egg. This also prevents eggshells from getting in there. I broke a yolk. Ugh. All right, next step. Chacheries and pepper. It's not very even. Too busy looking at the camera. They'll still be good. They're going on toast anyways. I look funny in the toaster. Time to make the toast. As you can see, my toaster has 2 slots, and I'm cheating by putting in 4 pieces of thin-cut Jewish rye bread. I want to point out that I'm putting the setting a little bit closer to the high mark, or the dark mark, than the medium. And this usually works out pretty good to get a nice toast on it. Next, grab your spatula and cut 3, or however many people you're serving, evenish pieces of your huge sausage patty. See? Like that. Flipping the eggs. I don't know, it's better with or without light. It's probably better to cook in light than in the dark. I think my lens is dirty. They look burnt, but I promise you they are delicious. Perfect. The inside of the toast doesn't get that toasty crustiness. I personally don't like burnt bread, but some people do. You can put it in for longer. But as you can see, it's very... You can hear how crusty it's become. And just take your sausage, put it on there like that. Take an egg, put it on there like that. A slice of velveeta, which is not cheese, by the way. Cover it up like that. Make your toast, your bun, and for the big reveal, Cut it in half with a knife. It's hard to do this one-handed. There we go. It's good. It's really good. You'd like this, but you got to use rye bread. Marble, Jewish, whatever the other kind of rye bread is good.